All right, students. Okay, let's solve problem number 5.40. Okay, it is saying that let's simulate the coining of tossing of a coin. Okay, it says simulation heads and tails. Write a program that simulates flipping a coin 1 million times and displays the number of heads and tails. Okay, so we don't need a scanner here. We don't need anything. We just only need uh, two variables and a for loop. So let's say, because we are talking about something into millions, so let's say we are taking variables as longs. Okay, 0 and tails also equals 0. Why do I have taken them? To count heads and tails. Okay, well, uh, let's run our for loop. For in this time, students, don't take it integer, take it long. Okay, by the way, students, uh, how many uh, zeros are there in a million? I think they are asking 10 million, 1 million. So how many zeros are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, there are six zeros. Okay, now what you need to do? In fact, students, let's create a random.
Doctor, what do you mean by how many zeros?
We in a million. If I want to write million, how many zeros?
Oh, okay.
New random. Okay. Any problem? I don't think you do have any problem with this. We created a random object Rn just to get the random numbers. And by the way, students, let's suppose that 1 represents the heads and 0 represents the tail. Okay. Okay. You can say that let's take a Boolean variable. True represents the heads and uh, false represents the uh, tail. Whatever you want, whatever logic you want, you can incorporate. No problem. Okay. Uh, let's say Let's say true represents heads and false represents tails. Okay, so let's say we do have a random variable. uh, it's a boolean type, boolean flip coin. Okay, no problem. Flip coin equals rn dot next boolean. Okay, if flip coin, okay, need not to write anything. If flip coin means if flip coin gets true, what should I do? Heads plus plus, else tails plus flips. Any any problem? Any problem, students?
But Mr. Why did you write 1 million?
Because it is given in the question.
Okay.
Uh,
Because I didn't read the question.
okay, no worries. Excuse me, students, for 2 minutes. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, students, huh? So it is given in the question 1 million times. That is why we took 1 million. Okay, and we say in the beginning, let's say heads and tails are two counters of long time, which will count how many times we get head and how many times we get tails. Further, we took a boolean type variable flip coin. Okay, so here in the for flip coin we are getting new values here. Flip coin rn dot next boolean. Okay, to get new values. Okay, new values means just like flipping of coin. After this, after the for loop, what are the states of these two variables? We are going to print. Okay, as out, let's say number of heads equals let's say heads. Okay, similarly number of, it will be tails. Okay, now let's run and see the result. Look here, exactly 1 million, and you can see that the heads and tails are nearly same. So this is equal distribution, not biased towards head, not biased towards tails. Okay, again a different distribution, different number, but still approximately equal values. Look here again, different things, but is when we are counting something a million, this does not matter. Okay. All right.
All right, Mr.
Okay. Let's go further. Uh, uh, let's say there were some string based problem. Yes, these are important things. String type problems. Uh, because we do not ask many mathematical problems, student to start complaining. Yes, for a string and other things, we ask plenty of questions here. Reverse a string. What do you mean by reverse a string? If ABCD is given, it should be printed out as DCBA. Huh? Reversing a string. How can we do this? Write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and displays the string in the reverse order. Well, how can we do this, students? How can we do this, students? Students, for example, this is the string. Huh? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. We have saved here A, B, C, and D. Any problem?
No.
What is the index of this? Isn't it?
Yes.
What will be the index of this last one?
3.
3. Or we can say this, it is, for example, if it is a string st, we can say this is st dot length minus 1. Isn't it? Isn't it?
What do you mean, -1, doctor?
Tell me, what do you mean? How many characters are, how many letters are in the string?
3. So
Oh.
from 0 to 3.
Characters in the string A, B, C, D, how many are there?
4,
Oh.
4.
These are 4 characters, isn't it? So if I say st dot length, how much we will get? What will be this? Oh, come on, dear. We have a string, this ABCD, and if I write st dot length, how much I'm going to get? Dear, how much I'm going to get? Or not, I'm supposed to get 4? Hmm?
Yes, mister.
Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 characters in the string. So we are going to get the length or the size of the string as 4. But there is a litigation here. The indexing does not start at 1. It starts from 0. So the last index 3 can be assumed as st dot length minus 1. Always, whatever may be the size of the string, the last index can be supposed to st dot length minus 1. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It is last index. Okay, that is the concept we are going to use here. That is the concept we are going to use here. Okay.
So, doctor, I am right. It's three,
Wow.
not four. So it's usually starts from zero.
Yes, the string starts
So
from the zero.
so why you got angry at me?
Where did I get angry? I was just asking.
Okay.
I do not get angry upon students. I was just asking. Why do you see? Why do you scare that you are getting? Why did you get scared?
No, I thought you got angry at me.
No, 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 nothing like this. I was just asking. Tell me why. Okay. So
Okay.
that is the concept we are going to uh, use here. We will create another string of the same size. Okay. And what we will do, we will start copying characters from here. So what we will do, we will at index 0, what will we bring? We will bring st dot char at st dot length -1 here in the first position. D. Here we will bring C, B, A, and the string will be reversed. Let's see how we are going to do this. .46, okay. CH05 P46. Let's say because we need a string from the user, let's create a scanner.
Doctor,
Scan.
we still on the notes. You cannot see NetBeans.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Thank you for letting me know.
Welcome, doctor.
Scanner system.in. Okay. A message for the user. Let's say enter a string. Okay. By the way, when user enters, we should collect it somewhere. String st, or let's say st equals uh, in dot next in dot next line. Okay. Let's create another string where we will reverse, keep the reverse of this string. Let's say its name is reverse rev st. Okay. Equals uh, new string, and its size is well, why I'm bothering about the size? Should I bother about the size? I don't think. Okay. Let's take it an empty string. Khalas. Okay. Now, students, let's start copying from the end. From where we are going to start? We are going to start from length minus 1 till I remains greater than equal to 0 and I minus 1. So what we are going to do? We are going to do very simple operation. Rev st plus equal st dot char at I. Print the reverse string. The reverse string is, what is the reverse string? Rev st. Let's run and see the result. For example, I entered ABCD. The reverse string is DCB. All right, students.
Yes.
Okay. I have done nothing special. I took an empty string and then I started copying uh, characters from the end of the first string to the beginning, and eventually at the end of the for loop, I'm I am with reverse of the given string. Okay. Look here. It says write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and display the characters at odd positions. How can we do this, students? Very easy, students. In fact, one line solution. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and displays the characters at odd positions. So what we need to do? Simply open the NetBeans. Okay. Its question number was.
Doctor, do you mean like it's only displays the strings that at like 1 and 3 and 5?
Yes, not a string,
Okay.
characters. Characters
Yeah,
at
character. I'm sorry.
odd positions. So let's add another class P46. No, it is 48. Okay. Again, because we need a user input, we will create a scanner. Let's say its name is N new scanner, new scanner. Okay. Then a message for the user. Let's say a message says enter a string. Okay. Then when user is going to provide us a variable input, let's keep it somewhere. I'm saying is I have a string sr in dot. Hopefully user is going to give us a word, but let's say a next line so that we can have whole line. Now the matter is that we are supposed to write characters at odd places. So let's say characters at odd places are Hmm? How we are going to write characters at what odd places? Run a for loop. Simple thing. Run a for loop. Okay, where I is going to start from 0. I is going to keep on till what is the name of the string? Sr dot length. Okay, just one change here. We do not want uh, plus plus. What do we want? We want plus equal to. Okay, so because 0 means first place. Then 0 plus 1 is the 1, and that is the second place, and we do not want it. We want the third place. So that is why we have chosen step size to be 2, so that we can jump into odd numbers only, odd places, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this. And you need not to do anything else except writing those characters. Uh, sr dot char at I. Okay, nothing. Once it is complete, change the line. Run it and see the result. By the way, it is saying enter a string. Okay, what is the string I am supposed to enter? It is no, it is something Beijing and Chicago. Chicago. Okay, you can see that characters at odd places are okay. Biigciao. Okay. All right, students. Well, 5.49. What it says? It says count vowels and consonants. Okay. Assume letter A, E, I, O, U as the vowels. And then what it says, write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and display the number of vowels and consonants in the string. Students, I will take this question in the morning. It's a I need I need to write a long code here. Let's take 5.50. It says count uppercase letters. What do you mean by uppercase letters? Hmm? What do you mean by uppercase letters? How can we check? In a given string, take a character and check it if it is in uppercase or not. So it's a very simple. Okay. Uh, yes, we have new scanner. Okay. Message for the user. enter a string. Okay, when the user enters a string, we should collect it somewhere. Okay, now let's say a counter for us. Upper uppercase letters equals 0. A for loop from 0 to st dot length. What we need to do here, check if character dot is uppercase. What is uppercase? St dot caret I. If it is uppercase, okay, what you need to do, you have a counter uppercase letters plus plus. Okay, once you are finished from here, what you need to do, st has st. Okay, it prints the string and then prints the number of uppercase letters it has. All right, so this was all about today's lecture. We will inshallah continue in the morning. I can also complete this. There are two more questions from the exercise which we need to solve, but I think that we should solve them with other students in the morning. Okay, these are the only two questions which are remaining upon us. Well, thanks for joining, and wish you all the best for your major exams. Assalamu alaikum.